Hello and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services, where we teach you tips and tricks to shine in your academic career. And today's topic is how to change chart types in Excel. We are modifying the topic. We are going to show you how to add and change chart types in Excel. Let's get started. So you can see this is a table. This is an income statement where there are several direct, indirect expenses of a business, cross margin, net sales, net income, and I'm going to use this table to create charts and graphs to enhance the visibility of the content and make it visually attractive for your project. So let's select an item from this table. Let's say cross margin. Okay, so I'm going to select cross margin and also select the year. I'll show you a different technique, but let's select this first and go to the insert tab. This is home tab. You need to go to the insert tab and you'll see recommended charts. Go to all charts and I'm going to select this column chart. There are variations. I'm going to select the first one, press OK. Yeah, the technique that I'm going to show you is a very different technique, not different, but I'm going to show you everything from the scratch. First you have to delete everything. See, I'm removing all the fields. Now I'm going to add steps one by one. Okay, click on add. Now in the series name, add cross margin, the cell. Okay, and in the value you need to select these values of cross margin. Now press OK, and in this section you need to select the years 2021 to 2023, then press OK. See, the graph has been generated. This is the column graph. Okay, column chart. I have also added the trend line. I have also label names, and I'm going to format the chart a bit. Like, I'm going to enhance the visibility by making the font in bold. Also you can change the font style also. Okay, and select chart design, this option at the top. You can also see that there are variations in the column chart. Yeah, all these are the variations of column chart. You can select accordingly. Also you can choose a different chart, different variations of the column chart from quick layouts, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Yeah, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to teach you. Now, how you can change this column chart to, let's say, bar chart, pie chart, how you can do this? Simply go to change chart type and I'm selecting pie chart. See, I just selected change chart type and my column chart is converted now into a pie chart. I'm again going to format this chart a bit. Let's bold it. Can also change the color, style, font size, play with the chart. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like and follow for more. Let us know what you want to learn next.